All right, I'm going to open up a picture that I already have. So let's click open. And this is a picture of our new puppy. Also, by the way, there's a lot of built-in tutorials here. If you look under Learn, there's a lot of really great tutorials, and it's kind of like a game where it shows you how to do certain things, and it's really helpful. So I would encourage you to do this and learn how to do some basic things under Photoshop. First of all, this shows you right here what layers we have. Right now we only have one layer, and it's this picture. This shows you that it's locked, so double click it, and that unlocks it and enables you to do some things to it. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the Warp tool. So we're going to click on this and select something. So we're just going to select the whole picture, and then we go up to Edit and click on Puppet Warp. Now it's going to add a lot of these points here. So I'm going to click on some points that I want to warp it from, like maybe the eyes, and maybe the nose, maybe both sides of the mouth. And then once you've clicked them and selected them, you can take them and press and drag the points. Okay, so I'm just clicking on it and dragging it. So this allows you to warp it in a way that is just a little bit creative, and anything that you don't like, you just go Command Z and it will undo it. Okay, so if I do this and I'm like, wait, that was too far, Command Z is the shortcut for undo. Okay, so notice also that it gets a little bit outside of the canvas size when you do this, but that's okay. And so I would just encourage you to do a little bit of experimenting and play with it a little bit. And then once you decide that you have it warped the way you want to, stretch his paws out a little bit more. Okay, then we're going to press return and it will apply everything you did. Okay, now it has these marching ants. If you want to get rid of the marching ants, just go Command D, and that is deselect. All right, let's play around with this for this week. Feel free to play around with anything else that you see up here or over there, because again, if you do something and you're like, whoops, I didn't mean to do that, just go Command Z.